This is your code book. In this video we are going to discuss about looping statements in Python. So what is mean by looping statements? Sometimes to solve any problem we need to repeat a set of statements. These two looping statements help us to repeat a set of statements up to the condition becomes false. Here we are going to discuss two looping statements. The first one is while statement and the second one is for statements. So let's start the discussion of while statement. So as I told, in this while statement a set of statements are repeated up to the condition becomes false. So look at the syntax while. So while is a keyword followed by condition, and inside the looping statement we have n number of statements. These n number of statements are executed based on the outcome of the condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the statements are repeated. So when the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop, which means the next statement is executed. So this is the process of while statement. So look at the flow of execution. So the condition, if the condition is satisfied, the statements are executed and then control goes to check the condition again. So the body of the while looping statements are repeated up to the condition becomes false. So when a condition is not satisfied, the control goes to next statement. So this is the flow of execution. Remember, when you are writing this while statement, the three things you should include in our program. The first one is the initialization, condition, and then either and increment or decrement values. So let's look at the one example program. So the program is write a program to find sum of n numbers. The input, if suppose my input value n is equal to 10, means my output value is 55. So what is the process? Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 10, because here the n value is 10. So here we are doing this addition operation repeatedly. So this while statement help us to perform this addition operation to produce the exact output. So let me write a program code to solve this problem to find sum of n numbers. So we have to read n value from the user end. So the program is sum of n numbers. So first line is, so n is equal to int input, enter a number. So using this statement we are going to read the values from the user. And as I told, first one initialization. What is the starting value? So here I am going to declare one variable I is equal to 1, and then we need to find sum. So one more variable to store the result. So I am declaring another variable sum and then initialized with 0. So now I am going to use while statement. Look at the syntax, while and then condition. So here condition is I. So start from the starting value is 1. So the variable name is I less than or equal to the end value is n. Okay, so the end value is n, and inside the while statement I am going to calculate sum plus equal to I. So the meaning of that statement is sum is equal to sum plus I. So initially we are going to add I value to the sum value, which becomes, now the sum value is updated to 1. So now we should increment I value. For that, I plus equal to 1. So again the meaning of the statement is I is equal to I plus 1. So every time this I value is incremented by 1. When this I values reach to 11, so the condition becomes false. So the loop is terminated. So after the termination, we are going to print sum is equal to sum. So let me explain this program with visualization once again. So when we run this program, enter the number, I am giving 10, so we will get output 55. Like our input is n is equal to 10 and output is 55. So this is the program for sum of n numbers. So as I told, three things are very important. So first one here, this is the initialization. Okay, so this one is the initial value, and here this is condition, and this one is the increment. So the three things we should include while using this while looping statement. So initialization, condition, increment. So let's see the visualization of this program. So link is available in description. So look at the code. Okay, so x input into input, enter a number, I is equal to 1, sum is equal to 0, I less than or equal to x, sum is equal to sum plus I is equal to I plus 1. Click visualize execution. So click submit button. So now here, look at here, x value is equal to 10, and the next statement here, I is equal to 1, and next sum is equal to 0. Now we have a condition. Click next button. Condition is satisfied because 0 less than or equal to 10. So the control goes to inside the loop. So sum is equal to sum plus I. So look at the sum value. The sum is updated, and again click next button. I value is updated to, and then control goes to beginning of the looping statement. So to check the condition again. So now again the condition is satisfied, so I value is incremented. So the process is repeated. Look at the I values and sum values, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now here look at the memory, x is equal to 10, I is equal to 10, sum is equal to 45. So again condition is satisfied, so sum is 55. So now I value is 11. So now the condition is not satisfied, so the control goes to out of the loop. So the loop is terminated. So it is the next statement is ready for execution. So print sum, click next button, you will see the output in output screen. So this is the way the while loop statement is executed. So this is one assignment program. Try to write a program to find factorial of a number using while statement. So if you are giving n values 5 means the output is 120. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is the logic of to find factorial of a given number. So in this video we discussed about while statement in Python. Thank you.